tuning in today. I'm up here at E-Town at the park. I'm going to start you out with the Bible verse, and I'm going to start walking around a little bit, do my broadcast. If it goes off, I will be doing this on YouTube. Psalms 108 says, O God, my heart is fixed. I sing, give praise, even with my glory. Awake, psaltery and harp. I myself awake early. I will praise thee, O Lord, among thy people, and I will sing praises unto thee among the nations. For thy mercy is great among the heavens, and they reaches unto the clouds. But thou exalted, O God, above the heavens, and by thy glory above all the earth. They that beloved may be delivered, save with thy right hand, and answer me. God hath spoken in his holiness, and I will rejoice. I will divine circum and might out of the valley of Sackcloth. Gilead is mine, Messiah is mine, Ephraim also is my strength and my head. My Judah is my lawgiver, Moab is my washpot. Over Edom I will cast out my shoe. Over Palestine will I triumph. Who will bring me into the strong city? Who will lead me into Ephraim? Wilt not thou, O God, who hast cast us off, and wilt thou, O God, go forth with a host? Give us help from trouble, for vain is the help of men. Through God we do things valiantly. For he that shall tread down our enemies. God will tread down your enemies today. God is great. God is all-powerful. God is able to do exceedingly more than we'd ever hope for, dream, or even imagine today. And greater is he that's in us than he that's in the world. And we're truly more than a conqueror today. And there's nothing impossible. There's no mountain too high, there's no valley too low that God cannot reach. No pit's too deep that he cannot pick us up out of. God is able and God is willing today, if we would just but trust upon him and realize that through him we will find our strength. Through him we will find satisfaction. Through him today all things are possible. What do you seek from the Lord? He is our help and he is our strength today. We cannot be defeated with God by our sides. There's nothing impossible for him. Down here at E-Town, and you see all these statues of all these men and women who fought for our country. We should give them honor. We should give them praise today because of what they done. And God done even more than all these. God gave his life up on Calvary so that we could have life and have life more abundantly. He done more and exceedingly more than we ever deserve. But God loved us enough to go to a cross upon Calvary to shed blood so that we could have life and have life more abundantly. Even among all the statues, what I love most is just those two simple shoes that's up there today. Some of these great men and women that's honored in these statues, we can never comprehend what they went through. We can never walk a mile in their shoes. And that's the same way with God. We can't comprehend what God had done. We see things in the Bible about how God done this and how God done that, how God took beatings, scourgings, cursings, took everything, and took upon the sins of this world, a man who was without sin, so that we could have forgiveness today, that precious blood of the Lamb. We could never walk a mile in his shoes. John said it like this: the man who comes after me, I'm not even worthy to tie his shoelaces. Paul said it like this, that we're still filthy rags. But God loved us enough that he was the ultimate warrior today. He fought the battle that we could never fight. He took the keys from death, hell, and the grave, and he won the victory. And because of what he did at that cross, we can truly find redemption today. If you're weak, God will make you strong. If you need the Lord today, He'll be where we need Him to be. Just begin to trust upon Him today. As the world looks upon me, as I struggle along, they say I have nothing, but they are so wrong. For in my heart I'm rejoicing. Oh, how I wish they could see. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. There's a roof up above me. I've got shoes on my feet. There's food on my table, Lord, and a good place to sleep. For you gave me your love, Lord, and a fine family. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. Well, they say I'm not wealthy, and these clothes are not new. I don't have much money, Lord, but I have you, and to me that's all that matters, though the world may not see. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings upon me today. What has God done for you today? I'll do this final song, give you one more opportunity to pray. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious is that grace appeared the hour we first begun. May God bless.